is Nik Neves. I'm a Brazilian illustrator, artist, comic author. I do this work for more than 20 years. I really love what I do. I always been drawing my whole life. So this is basically my only conception what is to be me. I can't imagine myself without drawing. What I'm doing now at the moment is working as an illustrator for mostly editorial work, some advertisement as well. And I do some comic work that is probably my more personal side. It's where I develop. During this workshop, we have been working with the students about some principles of illustrations, the things that I think they are important for anyone to learn. For example, I guess that is crucial that people understand a little bit of composition and the basic ways of seeing things. More than drawing skills, we need to have the ability to understand, to visualize, and to represent graphically some ideas and concepts that we have. The students, they are very interested. When I say something, I'm not exactly sure if they are understanding, but when I see the result, I say, yeah, they got it. But I have the feeling that some of them, they have a very clear idea of the compositions, probably because they have a heavy design background. And I feel that some of them, they really love bande dessinée and comics. They really know how to make nice drawings. We're invited to the international workshop week. Says a lot about the school because it really shows how the school is open to listen to many different creators from different backgrounds. I think this is crucial in the world today, that we listen to different voices coming from the more different places.